A speeding train, a broken track, and only one boy, Arya, between hundreds of lives and disaster. No superheroes, no phones, just one idea. And the highlight of the day is the morning train. Arya, he's obsessed. He's built a fake ticket counter in his backyard, waves at every engine, and screams "chuk chuk" like it's a war cry. But on one summer morning, everything changes. Arya skips down to the tracks, slingshot in his pocket, mango slice in his hand, ready to fly paper planes. But then he sees it. A long silver rail, cracked clean in half, a chunk missing right where the train turns. Arya squints. Then his eyes widen. He hears it, that low hum. The 8:15 Express and the signal post? Empty. Lever? Rusted. No one in sight. His mango hits the dust. Determined. Okay. Think, Arya, think. He sprints like lightning, his chappals flying, straight home, grabs his old red kite, 2 bamboo sticks, and a roll of string. Urgent. "Mom, I gotta stop the train!" Surprised. "What?" she yells. But he's already out the door. Back near the tracks, the rumble is louder. He climbs a grassy hill, ties the kite to the sticks, raises it like a flag, and waves with all the energy in his tiny body. "Stop! Broken track ahead!" The train grows larger. The whistle blares. Once, twice. Sparks. Screeching brakes. A storm of dust. Metal groans. And then silence. The train stops. The conductor jumps out. Loudly. "Who did that?" Arya raises his hand, breathless. He points to the broken track, to the kite, to his tiny arms. The conductor stares, then laughs in shock. "You just saved a whole train, kid!" A woman hands him a soda. A man gives him a mango. And someone lifts him on their shoulders. To the hero of Chandapur! Railway workers arrive, fix the tracks, and plant a new sign beside them. Arya curve, caution ahead. Later, the village honors him with a medal shaped like a tiny engine. He can't stop grinning. That night, Arya lies on his rooftop, stars overhead. His dog curled by his side. In the distance, the train whistle sings through the dark. He smiles, thoughtful. "Next time, I'll carry 2 kites, just in case." The dog barks softly. "Arya, you don't need big muscles to make a big difference. Just big courage and a heart that runs when others freeze." Love stories of brave kids, wild ideas, and heart-racing twists? Subscribe now and ride along for more. And hey, what would you have done if you were Arya? Let us know in the comment.